Sandro from Boston, Massachusetts writes to me, Paul, I am 66 years old. Well, you're a pup compared to my doddering age. And I use a lot of vintage solid state gear like Hafler, Sansui, Pioneer. Invariably, one channel fails, and my repair people complain that parts for older solid state equipment are impossible to find. Is there anyone left who still specializes in repairing this vintage solid state equipment, or should I simply cut my losses and replace everything with modern gear? Yes, that's what you should do. It's really hard. Now, I don't have any recommendations for a particular person. You'll have to just search that out. There's this thing called the internet. You could look that up and see. I'm sure somebody out there is doing it. The problem is, we've been around 50 years, right? So a lot of our gear can't be repaired anymore. We don't have the output devices like we used to use, the 15003s and 4s. Not sure they're made anymore. There are always equivalent transistors for solid state gear that you can find, and if you find a good tech, they can look up that old part, see what its parameters are. You need to know, for instance, the beta of a transistor, which is the gain of the transistor. You need to know the voltage rails of that transistor, and then are its specs fairly similar? If you find something in the same package with at least the voltage is higher or the same that it can handle from collector to emitter, and the beta is reasonably the same, you can insert those and probably be fine. However, I personally have never understood the vintage mode. I'm not a collector. I'm not a vintage guy. I don't like vintage cars. Every time I think, wow, I remember that car, that was so cool, and I get in one and I wouldn't drive this thing if my life depended on it. I like modern stuff. So you're asking the wrong guy, that sort of thing. I definitely like modern equipment. I like progress. I think things generally are for the better. So yeah, and that's just my opinion. But look on the internet, find somebody. Do not be afraid to accept substitute parts. They're generally available, and there's usually something around that's as good and often better for that old stuff if you really are nostalgic and you need to keep on it. All right? Good luck. Thanks.